For years I focused on my mornings. I tried every routine. Cold showers, journaling, meditating, sprinting at 5 a.m. And while some things helped, I still felt off. Foggy, slow, like I was always playing catch up. The problem wasn't how I started my day, it was how I ended it. Because your mornings begin the night before. You can't out-hustle bad sleep. You can't think clearly after midnight junk food. You can't have energy if your brain's wired from doom scrolling. Most people think the evening is for relaxing. But the truth is, it's the foundation of everything. Ruin your night, and you ruin tomorrow. Again and again. So in this video I'll show you exactly how your evening routine is wrecking your results, and how to fix it. You think you are unwinding, but you are actually destroying recovery, focus hormones, and your ability to win the next day. Here are 4 ways most people mess up their nights without realizing it. You're on your phone in bed, scrolling TikTok, watching YouTube, maybe even replying to DMs. But every screen is blasting blue light, which tells your brain it's still daytime. Melatonin production drops. You don't feel sleepy, so you stay up even longer. Then when you finally pass out, you miss deep sleep cycles, and you wake up feeling like you never rested at all. Snacking at night feels good, but it destroys your digestion. Your body is trying to wind down. Instead you dump sugar, fat, and caffeine into your system. Blood sugar spikes, insulin rises, heart rate goes up, and sleep gets fragmented. You're not resting, you're metabolizing. Even if you're not on your phone, you might be gaming, watching high-intensity content, arguing in group chats. Your nervous system stays stuck in on mode. That means higher cortisol, higher adrenaline, and a brain that refuses to slow down. The result? Restless sleep, racing thoughts, and chronic fatigue. You don't have a night routine, you just drift. No consistent sleep time, no habits to signal rest. So your brain stays confused. Sometimes it powers down, sometimes it doesn't. And every morning feels like a gamble. Your life lacks rhythm. You're not tired because you're lazy. You're tired because your nights are chaos. Fix this foundation and everything changes. Let's flip the switch. Because the evening isn't set just about sleep, it sets about restoration. This is when your body and brain repair themselves. If you master this phase you gain clarity, energy, and drive. Here are 6 simple ways to build an evening routine that actually works. Decide when you're done being on. Pick a time, 9 p.m., 10 p.m., whatever works. Once that time hits, no more decisions. No work, no big conversations, no stimulation, just wind down mode. It trains your brain to shift gears. Phones are the biggest enemy of deep sleep. Blue light, notifications, dopamine hits, they keep your brain in a loop. So create a hard boundary. 1 hour before bed, no screens. Replace it with reading, stretching, breath work. Your sleep quality will double. Your environment tells your body what time it is. Bright, white lights equal sign daytime. Warm, dim lights equal sign bedtime. Switch your lighting after sunset. Use lamps, candles, or warm tone bulbs. Signal your brain, it's time to power down. Eat your last meal 2-3 hours before sleep. Keep it light but balanced. Protein, some carbs, a bit of healthy fat. Avoid sugar, caffeine, or heavy spice. This lets your body rest, not digest, and helps you fall asleep faster. Create a sequence your brain can rely on. It could be stretching for 5 minutes, journaling 1 page, reading 10 pages of a book. This becomes your shutdown signal. Like brushing your teeth, it tells your brain what's next. Do it every night. Build the pattern, build the habit. This is the secret sauce. Sleep at the same time. Wake up at the same time. Even on weekends. Your circadian rhythm syncs. Your hormones stabilize. Your energy gets consistent. This one habit alone can change your life. You don't need a 10-step ritual. You need consistency, signals, boundaries, and enough discipline to protect your sleep from modern chaos. Now even if you're doing most things right, there are still hidden habits that steal your recovery. Here are 3 you should cut immediately. Yeah, it makes you feel sleepy, but they wreck REM sleep. They dull your brainwaves, interrupt deep cycles, and leave you groggy the next day. If you want to actually rest, cut these out. Late night arguments spike stress hormones. Cortisol rises. Your nervous system lights up. Even if the fight ends, your body stays in threat mode. Sleep becomes shallow, and dreams get chaotic. If something needs to be said, save it for tomorrow. Netflix in the background. Music playing on loop. Even sleep sounds that are too loud. These interrupt deep brain activity. Keep your environment silent, or use true white noise. Dark, cool, quiet. That's the gold standard. Recovery isn't just about what you do right. It's about removing what breaks you down. One silent saboteur can ruin your whole night. Your future isn't built in the morning, it's built the night before. Success isn't just about hustle, it's about restoration, recovery, discipline when no one's watching. Your evening routine is the most underrated part of your life. Fix it, and your body thanks you. Your brain thanks you. Your performance skyrockets. Remember, sleep isn't weak, it's your weapon. Use it right. Protect it like your progress depends on it, because it does. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, comment and subscribe to help with the YouTube algorithm. Remember, small changes lead to big improvements over time. See you in the future.